Good morning or afternoon, evening, Monday, Tuesday, whenever you're watching this. Hey, I am catching up on laundry. My oldest brother has been visiting from Georgia for a week, and so we have just been go, 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 and our laundry has piled up as tall as my 8-year-old. I thought I would show you guys really quick just how I do our laundry. It's nothing magnificent. Maybe some of you have seen it before, but let me show you. Backstory, our laundry is in our bathroom in the corner here where we used to have a big corner whirlpool jacuzzi tub. It was great. We pay for city water. It cost a lot. And then our laundry was in our mud room, which just wasn't practical anymore. The more needed space for boots and coats and shoes and all that kind of stuff. So, laundry is here in the bathroom. Let me show you our setup. We hodgepodged this area together with what we could find cheap on clearance or already around the house. So, washer, dryer, the hamper, all the dirty laundry goes in there. This shelf is an IKEA Kallax shelf with bins from Target. There are 4 bins for the 4 kids. And then here we've got a cupboard where I have like the dryer balls in here. Down there is just random stuff for hanging clothes outside. Hang up the clothes there, and then up here is like all chemicals and stuff from around the house, up high away from the kids. All the dirty laundry starts here in the hamper, goes into the washer. From the washer, it either goes in the dryer or out to drying racks outside that I can show you. Some things I will hang up on this curtain rod or on that little octopus there. And then again, this is where I keep like the stuff for hanging clothes outside. Okay. After it comes out of the dryer, I close the door gently, not all the way. Never ever shut that unless the clothes are being washed. And then the laundry basket gets kicked over underneath here where I can pull anything that would go in a dresser or like towels, that kind of stuff. If it is a shirt or it ends up on a hanger, it immediately coming out of here gets put on the hanger. Everybody's clothes hang up here all together until it's time to sort them. And then to sort them, I just take them out by the handful. And I separate them into piles. So I already put mine away, but like I separate like my pile, and then each of the kids have theirs, and Mr. Awesome has his. And then they just come and grab all their hang-ups and put them away. And then about once a week or so, the kids grab their bins and take those down to their rooms and put those away. Okay, let's see if I can film this part. So the clothes come out of there. I dump them onto the bed. Now typically the hang-up clothes would not be here at the same time. And then I separate whose they are. So like oldest son, daughter, youngest daughter, youngest son, and so then they have their 4 piles, and then when I'm done doing laundry, I swoop up, put them in their bin for them to fold and put away. I don't fold any of their dresser stuff. Here is the little laundry station. This is where I keep our dryer balls. Here's some spares. We've got the oils that would go on them, some little lint tools, and then laundry soap, borax, and vinegar as a softener. No matter what the manufacturer says, I use 1 teaspoon of soap, because if you use too much, that's where you get mold and mildew and funky odors in your washer that you do not want to deal with. So that's that. Once a month, I pop 2 of these tablets directly into the washer. I spin this over to the clean washer setting or whatever your hottest setting is. Shut the door, run that. When it's done, I open it back up, wipe out that ring in there, and that just helps keep the washer. Okay, here are those drying racks from IKEA. I love that I can hang the little octopus here so I can put socks here. I do like sheets and towels and all the clothes across there, which is really nice. It's really great for blankets. You can put a few of these next to each other. And then they pull down nice and flat. So we actually hang these on our garage wall. Perfect. This little cutie saw me working so hard on laundry videos, so she made me some lunch. Got this cute tablescape. And what else were you up to?
I made more raspberry jam.
And these are from fresh picked raspberries. Super cute. So, if you guys have any laundry questions, tips, tricks, etc., post them in the comments. And as always, go out and do something awesome. See ya!